In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to change your location using Proton VPN. Before we begin, I want to quickly mention that if you need a VPN with far more countries to choose from, better speeds, and stronger privacy tools, NordVPN is the more reliable option overall. It performs better for streaming, gaming, and everyday browsing. And if you want to try it at a discounted price, the link is in the description. Now, let's start with Proton VPN. First, download the Proton VPN app from the official website and install it on your device. Open the app and sign in with your account details. Once you're inside, you'll see a world map along with a list of available servers. If you're using the free version of Proton VPN, you'll only be able to connect to a few locations, like the United States, Japan, and the Netherlands. To change your location, simply select one of these countries and hit Connect. After a short moment, Proton VPN will link you to the server, and your IP address will change to show that you are browsing from that region. If you want to switch again, click the Change Server option. Just remember that free users may need to wait a little before reconnecting to another location. Users on a paid Proton VPN plan will see a much longer list of countries and servers. You can scroll through the list or look at the map, choose the country you want your location to appear from, and click Connect. Proton VPN will take a few seconds to establish the connection, and once it's active, websites and online services will detect your IP address as coming from the region you selected. This can help you view region-specific content, check prices available in other countries, or add an extra layer of privacy while browsing. It's also useful for staying secure when using public Wi-Fi, since your traffic gets routed through an encrypted server. Proton VPN does a good job, especially if you just want a few free locations. However, if you want thousands of servers in over 100 countries, faster speeds, and much stronger performance for streaming platforms, NordVPN is simply a better experience. It offers more features, tighter security, and more stable connections no matter what you're doing online. If you want to get NordVPN at a great price, the link is waiting in the description.